Improving the performance of a Drive3D file is all about reducing file size. The more lightweight the file is, the quicker it will load. You can do this in many ways. If you're exporting geometry from SOLIDWORKS, you can remove hidden and internal geometry. Any geometry that cannot be seen is just unnecessary data that doesn't need to be loaded. You can defeature the model and remove unnecessary detail. How much detail you remove is up to you, but if you're not going to see the component close up, you probably don't need to see all the details down to the fillets and the hardware. Before you export the Drive3D file from SOLIDWORKS, turn down your image quality settings. This controls how detailed the export will be. For components with constant cross-sections, you can export a 1mm thin slice of the component and then scale this in the 3D document. Where possible, you can also improve performance by not using SOLIDWORKS geometry at all. Use primitive geometry if you can, or the extrusion entity in Driveworks. This geometry is much more lightweight when compared to exported Drive3D files. Reduce the file size of your textures. You don't always need the highest resolution images when a much smaller image will have the same effect. It's recommended to use textures less than 1 MB in size, ideally around 200 to 300 kilobytes. Use the document replacer or replace model entities and node generation to avoid overloading your 3D document. You can then use rules to only load the specific 3D model when it is required. Make use of the performance window. There are no specific numbers to aim for here, but it's best used as a comparison between twin documents. Pay particular attention to draw calls and the vertices count, and try to minimize these as much as you can. If you're interested in learning more about Driveworks, consider attending one of our dedicated webinars. Keep an eye out on our YouTube channel and blog for more SOLIDWORKS and Driveworks content.